Ain't been clean though. Man, who the DJ right now? Who the DJ? That boy out of control, y'all. Were you in the back seat? What? Why are you recording me? As I'm recording you.
Yeah, I was doing little videos in here. And then next thing I look up, he's doing that. That's all.
That's it, man. You got back in the photo.
Minutes later.
Hey, you think he'll sell the 836 to us? Don't ask, don't tell, like the military, right?
We in the background. Fucking blur it out after the whole video. Y'all even know what the hell that
That
is?
shit is black like a damn barn find. A lot of work. Full rest though.
Future Garage Project.
GG. Yes. Pretty clean, pretty clean. You happy about how clean it looked?
Huh?
You happy about how clean it looked?
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's way better than we first got it.
Need to get the coilovers and the wheels?
Yeah,
Oh shit. That's pretty clean though.
This is a lot better.
You tell them the spec though.
Tight.
But yeah. Give me gang. How are those tires still holding on? What, putting and polishing the block? Board over to
2.8, 9.6.
That's your 90.
How long?
Huh?
How long has it been sitting?
If it's at this year as well, it'd be year what, 4?
Minimum.
But them floors though.
Oh, what the hell? Oh my God! Oh, wait, brother, hold on, man, hold on. Oh, goddamn! Oh, there's a lot of space in this motherfucker.
Hey, what happened, Fred? Just getting my brakes fixed, Barney.
Boy. Do your maintenance. You're doing that, Steve.
Cleaning out these cylinders. You can see it's what it used to look like.
Ew.
You see the wall
Shit. Boy, you about to splash the camera, bro.
Maybe you see the wall.
That shit about like Campbell chunky.
Now, somewhat smooth to where we can turn it over. Clean it up.
Look at the flick of the wrist. The wrist.
Some corrosion, but not as bad as it was.
Boy, I thought somebody was coming in from back there. I was like, yo. It might be doodle. I don't say anything wrong. My damn eyebrows are cutting there, you know? Tried any of this shit at home because she is a trained professional. You try this shit at the house, you might die.
Why? What did I update?
No, I didn't buy one for this. I just got the valve cover, alternator, water pump, exhaust, intake. I think I've got every gasket except this one. Yeah. You want to know who sells the gaskets for this the cheapest? There you go. There you go.
BMW.
Hey, God, I'm done here, bud.
They want you to do photos.
This is me big. Absolutely no help.
For some reason, this shit doesn't seat flat.
You want a mallet?
Can you give me a... Yeah, give me a mallet and a eyebrow.
Shoot.
Barely.
It gonna tug. It gonna be a real tug. Like if it would stay right there, it would look cool. But shit.
Damn!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Because it was a thought. No, seriously. It was a thought. It was a thought, and I blurted it out. I did not mean it that way.
I'm fine.
Okay, but just understand I didn't mean it the way it came out.
We'll take a poll on how you meant it with people here later after the show's over. But
I can sit up here and honestly say, buddy, that was from a place of love.
you got it.
boy crazy. That boy crazy, y'all. Huh? Hey, when I was trying to, I was about to say, when I was trying to put the ones up top, I think I turned the knob, and I don't know what it was on before. Holy shit. Oh. Yeah. So I'm about to call Beamer and see if they got the head gasket. Well, I guess we gotta wait. Huh?
One of them got destroyed.
One of the head studs?
Gasket.
I don't even know.
Look at that garbage cup. Look at that garbage cup.
Anna, you going home? You going home, Anna? Hey. 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 30. Hey. 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 Hey, 30. Hey. Hey. 30. Hey. Hey. I said, what?
Welcome to GG.
He said welcome, but we are leaving.